Hi, we are going to discuss about the active attacks in this video. In the previous video, we have seen the passive attack. Passive attack is just monitoring or listening to the conversation between the two persons, but it will not make any attack on the system resources. That is a passive attack. Here, active attacks. Active attacks will make some modification and produces a false stream of data. Active attacks can be done in four different ways. One is a masquerade, and the second one is a replay, and the third one is a modification of messages, and fourth is a denial of service. Let us see what is masquerade. Here, you look at this diagram. B is a sender and A is a receiver. Here D is a third person. The message is from D that appears to be from B. That is, he gets the information, otherwise he sends the information with the identity of B. That is impersonation. D is sending the messages to A, but not with his identity, but with the identity of B. I hope you can understand. This is the masquerade attack. And but here the receiver will be thinking that D is composing a message and sending, but A will think that B is sending the messages. That is, the message appears to be from B instead of D, but D is composing. So this is masquerade attack. And the next one is a replay attack. Replay attack is, here B is intended to send the data to the messages to the A. Here D captures the data and the same messages then later replayed. Actually there will be a message from B to A, and also the same message is captured here and it is replayed to the A. This is the next attack. So sometimes when it happens, what is the use of this attack is, if you want to dump one memory in order not to provide get some other services, continuously we will be sending the messages so that to fill the inbox of another one. So he receives that message and later replay many number of times, it can be replayed. So this attack is a replay attack. And the third one is a modification of messages. So here B is intended to send the information to the A. The intruder D, that is a person in the middle, intruder or unauthorized person, gets that message, make small changes in that or make some changes, and then it is transmitted to A. But A will be sending that message was originally sent by B, but some modification is done by D. It is not known to both B and A. B does not aware of that modification made by D, and also A does not know that there is a middle person D making some changes which will be affecting the originality of a message sent by B. This is modification of messages. And the next attack is a denial of service attack. So here denial of service is disabling the network. If we disable the network, we may not be able to get the services. So that is denying the services. That is another attack. That is denial of service attack. And by overloading with messages so as to degrade the performance. If you overload the system with a number of messages, normally it will degrade, it goes low, the memory will be full, so that the performance can become low, so that we cannot get the service at right time. So this is a denial of service attack. Thank you.